Dear friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I am here with a new video for you, with the help of which you can score your mobile and computer more than ever. You can secure your mobile and computer, can strengthen. Also, if you want to do any work in your mobile or want to open any website which is not opened by you or it is blocked in your country, then you can use it. You can also unblock block map site. The method is that you can change your location and turn on the location of another country and you can use any website that is unblocked. You can do all this with the help of a VPN. There are many types of VPNs available on the Play Store right now. Some VPN you can get from Play Store and some VPN you cannot get from Play Store, so you get different websites from which you can download and install VPN. But not all PANs are secure for you. Some of them are PMCQs and some are not. Some work very well and some can't work very well. Today I am going to tell you about it in detail. What is the best secure PAN? Today we have told you all about the bank in detail, but before that we have a request. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel so that when we upload a new video then it will be available to you all. Get it before and like our video. Thank you. The VPN we are going to tell you about today is called Secure VPN. Secure VPN is a great feature and is very easy to download and install and very easy to use. Secure VPN is a very good VPN. You can check its rating. .4x4 has a rating that is very good for any of you and has 1 million plus shares, which means more than 1 million people have downloaded and installed it. There are two ways to install Secure VPN and both are very easy. One way is to open any browser, for which you need to use Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, you can also use Firefox. If you don't want to use Mother, any browser you can use, like I will call. By going to Google Chrome, you will search for Secure VPN and many websites will open in front of you. You can open any of these websites. We open the first numbered website. When you open the website, you will see a Secure VPN icon. Click on it. Now a new page will open. Scroll down a bit, you will see download option. Click on the download option, then the downloading will start. After a while the download will complete and the installation will start. After a while the installation will complete. Another way to install Secure VPN is to go directly to your mobile's Play Store. After going to the Play Store, go to the search option and type Secure VPN in the search option. After searching for a while, you will find many VPNs. Click on the More VPN button. If you click on Secure VPN then Learn and the VPN will start downloading. After the download is complete, its registration will start automatically. After some time, Security VPN will be installed in your mobile. Now you can open any blocked website with the help of Secure VPN. You can change your location with it. Any other country's location you can use absolutely free. Country location app you should use no charges. It's completely free and you can unblock any blocked website but obligatory. If you click on Secure VPN then Learn and the VPN will start downloading. After the download is complete, its registration will start automatically. After some time, Security VPN will be installed in your mobile. Now you can open any blocked website with the help of Secure VPN. You can change your location with it. Any other country's location you can use absolutely free. Country location app you should use no charges. It's completely free and you can unblock any blocked website but obligatory.